Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to help you to learn a very easy technique to get a healthy, lovely, shiny hair at your home. So there may be a question in your mind that why should you follow my techniques. So first one is my technique is safe, free from bacteria and virus. As we know that in this pandemic situation we are not allowed to move outside and it's also not safe. So stay at home and follow this technique and get healthy, shiny, lovely hair. Second point is that my technique will spend only rupees 20 from your pocket, whereas all the beautiful persons are spending minimum rupees 500 for every sitting of hair care routine at salon. Third point is that the salons focusing using the products sponsored by various branded companies with other incentives. The salons focusing on making money, and I'm not here to making money. My techniques are going to help you to get a healthy hair in a natural way. Then the fourth one is that the product used by the salon is completely chemical based, and as we know that all the chemicals having some definite side effects, but this technique will help you to get a healthy, lovely, shine hair in a healthy and safe way, in a natural way. And the most important point is that at the salon they're focusing at the hair shaft, nobody is focusing at the root, whereas the healthiness of the hair depends upon the activeness of the root. So here again the point is that what is hair root, hair shaft. The technique I am going to help you to learn, it will stimulate the hair root, it will protect your hair, and ultimately you will get a very healthy, lovely, shiny hair. So this is the structure of hair. See, the root of the hair is not visible through our eyes, it is beneath the skin at the dermis level, and it is attached with the blood vessels, and blood vessels supplying nutrition to the papilla of the hair. Papilla nourishes the whole hair. So the hair which is visible through our eyes, it is above the skin at the epidermis. This is the hair shaft. So at salon they are focusing on the hair shaft, and here the technique which I am going to explain you, share with you, it will stimulate the root. So my technique having 5 steps. First is scalp manipulation, second is turban therapy, third is shampoo, fourth is rinsing, fifth is drying your hair. So come to the first point. For scalp manipulation we need a medium. So today I am going to help you to prepare a medium which is the raw materials is available very easily in your area. So for that we need 1 liter of coconut oil, then we need handful of curry patta, handful of neem leaves, then handful of tulsi leaves, and handful of onion slices, and handful of bhringaraja, then 20 grams of camphor. Okay, so what you will do, first clean all these leaves thoroughly, let it dry naturally, then apply mix handful of all these leaves in 1 liter of coconut oil except that camphor. You have to add the onion also, then boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes in a very slow flame, then allow it to cool down naturally, shave it, then add the powder of the camphor inside that oil, store it in a clean dry place. Then you have to go to the scalp manipulation. Extract few amount of oil in a container and take a cotton swab, then by help of this cotton swab make small sections at the scalp. Apply this oil thoroughly over the scalp. For the thorough application of oil over the scalp, again we should follow a technique. For that we divided our scalp into 6 imaginary lines. See, this is the 6 imaginary lines. These 6 imaginary lines help us to apply the oil thoroughly throughout the scalp, and these imaginary lines are both sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have to apply the oil on these imaginary lines. Then the point is that how to do the scalp manipulation. By help of this fingertips and finger pad, gently move your hand over these imaginary lines and give massage for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that the technique is there, that is application of hair pack. For hair pack again we need a protein based pack. Why protein based pack? Because our hair is a dead protein and it needs a pack which containing protein. For that, how to get that protein based pack? That is easy. get some egg white. Egg white is the best hair pack for our hair. Extract some egg white. And there may be a question in your mind, how many eggs should be required? My dear, it depends upon the density and length of your hair. For example, I have a very thin long hair, but 2 egg white is enough for my hair. Apply that egg white on your hair by help of a dye brush thoroughly. Then leave it about for 20 minutes. Remember, you have to leave that pack for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, go for shampoo. Use a mild shampoo. First, concentrate at the scalp. Use small amount of shampoo over the scalp. Wash it. Second time, again you have to concentrate at the scalp. Apply the shampoo. Wash it. Then at the third and fourth time, if required fourth time, use the shampoo at the hair shaft. After shampooing, the most important point is that hair rinsing. Then again, there is a question in your mind, why should we go through the rinse? My dear, rinsing is very much necessary because of whatever technique we followed till now, due to the friction, there is a energy created in between every hair shaft. That is the static energy, and due to that static energy, each and every hair strand attract towards each other and tangle with each other, which is very difficult for us to manage it. So to make the hair neutralize that energy, we need a rinse that should be based on acid. So we can take acetic acid, citric acid, or nicotinic acid. For citric acid, we can take a lemon. Take half lemon juice, for about 20 ml of lemon juice, or 20 ml of vinegar, or 1 cup of tea leaf water. Add it in 1 mug of water. Thoroughly rinse every hair, every strands. Then use a towel for drying. Leave the towel over the scalp and hair for 5 minutes so that your hair strand will absorb few more moisture. Then after, allow your hair to dry naturally. If you wish go for a blow dryer, so remember my dear, you are allowed to use the cool air of the dryer, because if you are using hot air, then your whole procedure will be worthless. Again, you are damaging your hair. There are few barriers of hairs. You have to remember it, like the wind, sun, dust, radiations, chemical abusement, mechanical abusement, chemical dyes, and all the hair products like mousse, setting spray, working spray, styling sprays. These are the products which can damage your hair easily, but if you are following this technique, it will definitely protect your hair and activate your root. So I hope this technique will help you to get a healthy, lovely, shiny hair. Keep on watching my video. In my next video, I'll help you to learn how to do that scalp manipulation, how to apply hair pack. Keep subscribing my channel. Like it, share it, and do not forget to share your comments, your suggestion. Stay safe, keep smiling. Take care. Bye-bye.